Go, go, go. I hate my pathetic and toxic family. Can I go any faster? Especially my disgrace of wife. She is always grounding me and I can't take it. I wish I could just live the happy life. I don't know where I am now, but I have my own area so I am free. Oh my god, that's a rocket launcher. I can go anywhere in the world that I want. Oh my god, where am I going?
Hi mommy, how is your happy life?
I am doing good, Caillou. Glad to have the true children of the house out.
Me too.
I know just what to do. I will crash this rocket into my house. Oh yes, yes, yes. I am about to crash into my house.
Oh, Boris. How freaking dare you send us flying through the sky? I know animate logic is keeping us from dying, but still.
That's so freaking it. You are grounded until we get to the ground, which will be never, because animate logic will keep you up forever.
Yay, I'm on the ground safe and sound. I am ungrounded now.